In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video in Quora. If you want to share a video directly in a Quora post, the process is very simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and post your video without confusion. To begin, open Quora and go to the main page where you normally see your feed. At the top of the page, look for the box that says, "What do you want to ask or share?" This is the main starting point for creating content on Quora. Click that box to begin making a new post. Once that opens, you'll see different posting options. From there, click on Create Post. This makes sure you're creating a shareable post rather than asking a question or using another format. If you're trying to upload a video for others to view in the feed, this is the option you want. After the post editor appears, take a moment to look at the tools near the text area. You should see an attachment icon. Click on that attachment icon to add media to your post. This is the step that allows you to browse files from your device, including videos you already have saved. When your file window opens, find the video you want to share and select it. Make sure you choose the correct file before continuing, especially if you have multiple videos with similar names. Once you select the video, Quora will attach it to your post. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, it may take a few moments to finish loading, so give it a second if needed. After your video is attached and everything looks ready, click on Post. That will publish your video to Quora so others can view it. Quick tip before you post: it's always a good idea to double check that you selected the right video and that it's appropriate for the audience you want to reach. You may also want to add a short caption or description in the post editor so viewers understand what the video is about. Although the key upload process is simply attaching the file and posting it. And that's all it takes to upload a video in Quora. Open the share box, choose Create Post, click the attachment icon, select your video, and then click Post. Once you do it once, the process becomes very easy to repeat.